Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make two types of tracing blocks for transferring sewing patterns. This one is made from chalk and water, and this one from melted candles. For the container, any white shallow tray will do. First, a quick recap on the chalk-based block. So I would like to add a good tip from the comments section there. You can pipe the mixture into the tray. So you cut the corner of the bag and just pipe it in. So with the wax-based block, you will get a sharper, cleaner line. And it doesn't rub off easily and it's not dusty. The chalk-based one, the lines are thicker, more visible. And to remove the chalk-based one, you just wash them. For the wax lines, they are heat erasable. So you just press it with a hot iron and it will disappear. But if you look closely, it will leave a faint grease line, which most probably will be covered by your stitching line. So not a big problem. So this is a great choice for projects you won't wash right away, like if you're sewing a hat or bags or upholstery items. The chalk-based ones, they are great for making clothing like tops and bottoms, where you do a lot of ironing on the seams. So your pattern won't disappear like midway when you're making the project. So I'm gonna use this old metal tray which has holes in them. I'm just gonna tape them up. I'm shaving the candles. This will help with the melting time. So I use a hair dryer to melt the wax because the tray is shallow and it has holes in them. So I don't want to like move them around that much. It takes some time for the candle wax to melt. So my tip here is to blow at a distance so the shavings won't fly everywhere. When the shavings have melted, if you go too close, you can create like molten waves. So here I'm just fishing the wicker out, and now we just wait for it to harden. So if you have wax spatters around the tray, you just reheat that area and wipe them off. You can also do that with your tubes, or if you've got candle wax on your desk, yeah, just blast them with a blow dryer.